often do you feel happy, excited, grateful? Hopefully quite often. But even if you feel these kind of positive emotions occasionally, so let's say maybe once every other day, which I hope is not the case, those feelings actually provide you with an opportunity to create what you desire. In that moment of joy and anticipation or appreciation, shoot off an intention for what you want to create. Speak or think about what you want to create and allow the good emotional state to fuel your sense of already having filled that desire. You can, in your mind, say something, or you can visualize having what you want, but do it when you're already feeling good. Your emotions equal energy because emotions possess energy. And you'll probably already realize that negative emotions like anger and resentment or sadness put out low vibrational energies. But on the other hand, positive emotions like peace, love, happiness, they bring with them a high vibrational energy. So if you're new to this concept, you can check out the Abraham Hicks Emotional Guidance Scale, which is sometimes called the Emotional Vibration Scale. It's a scale of 22 common emotions. And at the very top of the list is joy, appreciation, empowered, feeling empowered, freedom, love. Second is passion. When you get down to 8, you get to boredom, which is kind of a place of neutrality. So if nothing else, get to boredom, get to neutral, then you can build from there upward. But you don't want to go downward. Down at the bottom of the scale, we have 20 is jealousy, 19 is hatred and rage, 20 is jealousy, 21 is insecurity, guilt, unworthiness, 22 is fear, grief, depression, despair, powerlessness. So the top 7 on the list make you feel good. And not surprisingly, these have the highest vibration. So they're at the top of the vibration scale or the emotional scale. At the bottom, or as you go down below 8, which is boredom, you're going to not feel good. You're going to feel bad. You're going to have emotions that are not pleasant, right? And so the vibration that goes with those is low. So the point is, if you want to manifest things, is to raise your vibe, right? Raise your vibration. And you can learn how to move up this emotional scale by watching some videos from Esther Hicks of Abraham Hicks. The scale was first created by her, I believe, or by Abraham, who Esther Hicks channels. I will include a link to a video in my blog post. So if you're watching this on YouTube and not on my website with the blog, go over to the website at ninaamir.com and click on the link for the YouTube video. So the better you feel, the higher your vibration, and the higher your vibration, the more able you are to manifest your desires. So each time you feel a positive emotion, your vibration goes up, and your ability to attract what you want is dictated by your vibration. So if your vibration goes up because you're feeling good emotions, your ability to attract or create what you want increases as well. And that's why so many law of attraction teachers today stress the importance of feeling good, of energy, because when you feel good, you increase your ability to attract what you want. So at any given moment, you can ask yourself, is my energy high or low? Am I feeling good or bad? If you're planning to take some time and set intentions or visualize what you want to create, raise your energy first. And you can follow Abraham's advice, or simply go pet your cat or dog, which Abraham also says to do, or go into your garden and appreciate nature, or hug your child or your partner, or eat something you like, watch a funny movie, do whatever makes you feel good. Or you can manifest in the good feeling moments that come naturally. So simply wait until those moments when you inevitably feel good. Then remind yourself when you're feeling good to set an intention for what you want to create, or imagine having what you desire. You're already feeling good, so you don't have to work at that part of it, right? And you're not going to have to work so hard to manifest because you're already feeling good. So when your dog makes you laugh by chasing her tail, imagine having what you want. When your child comes home from school and gives you a big hug and kiss, and you feel loved and appreciated, state your intention mentally in words that indicate that you already have created what you want. So for instance, you might think in that moment as you're hugging your child, I now have a new car, or I am enjoying having a new car, right? And you can do this also when you're watching a funny movie, or opening holiday gifts, or walking somewhere beautiful, or enjoying a meal with friends, or even having sex. These are the moments when you naturally are in a high vibe state and can more easily manifest what you want. So I mentioned sex. Yes, having sex. I remember the late Stuart Wilde telling a group of people, I was at a seminar of him, The Warrior's Wisdom, and he told the whole group of us to imagine having what we wanted or desired, or setting an intention of having it when we experienced an orgasm. Because this moment of, when you have an orgasm, that moment of physical pleasure also brings with it positive emotions and lots of high vibes. So it's the perfect time to tell the universe what you desire, or to imagine already having it. So the point of this is to let manifestation be easy, right? Don't try so hard to make your manifestation happen. Don't keep thinking about it over and over again, in very convoluted sessions of, manifestation sessions. Instead, change your energy. Even better, take advantage of the moments when you naturally have that high vibe. You feel joy, pleasure, excitement, gratitude, or any of the emotions on the high end of this vibratory scale, when your vibration and your emotions are high and you feel good. So when that happens naturally, visualize what you want, or basking knowing that it's already on its way to you. And then just watch what happens. So I'm playing around with this. I hope you'll play around with this too. I've recently, I had heard this, as I said, from Stuart Wilde long ago. I recently heard one of my mentors, Jim Fortin, mention it. And so it just reminded me that this is a really fabulous way to manifest what you desire in a very easy and natural way. Just notice when you feel good and use those moments. I'm Nina Amir, the Inspiration to Creation Coach. I am a transformational coach, which means I help you get from where you are to where you want to be by getting out of your own way and stepping into the identity of the person who is who you want to be. And then very naturally, you very naturally will create what you desire. I'm a certified high performance coach. And so I offer a unique blend of personal and spiritual growth to help you get from where you are to where you want to go. So if that's of interest to you, click on the link above for the Inspired Creator Community, where I offer group certified high performance coaching and group transformational coaching to help you achieve the results that you really want to achieve, inspired results, which are your creations, especially when you create them in the way that I've just described. They are inspired by your emotions and your vibration. So again, if you're interested in working with me in a group setting, click on the link above for the Inspired Creator Community. It would be my honor to help you step into being your best self and creating everything that you want in your life. So until I talk to you next time, go out there and achieve more inspired results.